Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2020 Audi Q7 3-liter TFSI V6 55S line Tiptronic Quattro, finished in black with a premium black leather interior. At the front, the Q7 delivers presence with a bold single-frame grille, aggressive LED headlight design, and sharp S-line styling, setting the tone for a modern and confident drive. At the side, this SUV rides on stunning 22-inch alloy wheels with aluminum roof rails, sculpted body lines, and the unmistakable stance of Audi's largest SUV. Electric folding mirrors and keyless entry offer convenience, while the sharp detailing reinforces its premium character. At the rear, the Q7 continues its clean and powerful look, with sleek taillights, front and rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera for effortless maneuvering. Powered by a muscular 3-liter V6 petrol engine, this Q7 produces strong, refined performance with effortless acceleration. The smooth Tiptronic automatic gearbox paired with Audi's Quattro system delivers confident grip and driving dynamics in all conditions. Cruise control ensures relaxed motorway cruising, while the mild hybrid system helps boost efficiency. Inside, the cabin offers true executive-class luxury. You'll find electric front seats with driver memory, heated seats, and Audi's signature virtual cockpit, a customizable digital display that puts all your driving information in one crisp, modern interface. In terms of tech, this Q7 is fully equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and a dual-screen infotainment layout that keeps everything accessible and intuitive. In the back, the rear seats offer generous space, comfort, and premium finishes. With 7 seats in total, this Q7 is as versatile as it is luxurious, perfect for large families or those needing extra flexibility. In the boot, there's a large cargo area with the third row folded, and even with all seats up, it remains practical. The electric tailgate adds everyday ease, whether you're loading shopping, sports gear, or luggage. For more details, visit bvautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration GU20YBX to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.